Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to calculate median under continuous series. So, the first question is, what is median? A median is a positional average. It is a value which divides the given series into two equal parts. That implies that it is the middlemost value in the given series. It divides the series into two equal parts such a way that the number of observations smaller than the median is equal to the number greater than it. Therefore, it is a positional average. Now, let's know the steps to calculate median. The first step to calculate a median is to find out the cumulative frequencies. And the second step is to find the total n of all frequencies and check that it is equal to the last CF. Find the total of n, which is the sum of frequencies, which should be equal to the last CF. And third step is to find out the median which is m, by using the size of n by 2th term. The fourth step is to find out the class in which the median lies. Next, the fifth step is to apply the formula. By doing the third step, we'll just know the class interval in which the median lies. This class interval is used to find the other values which should be used in the formula. Now let's use this example to find out median in continuous series. First step, we have to find out the cumulative frequency. So here we have already written class interval and frequency, and the last column is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, the first one is taken as it is, and in the second one the both are added, which comes to 37, and the next one comes by adding these three, which comes to 64, and same with the other two, which is 85 and 100. We have found out the value of n, which is equal to 100, and it is also equal to the last cumulative frequency, which satisfies the second step. Now let's go for the third one, where we find the value of m, which is the size of n by 2th item. Which is equal to 100 by 2 is equal to 50th item. So the value of median is the 50th item. 50th item lies in the class interval 20 to 30. We have found out the class. Now let's find out the other values. Here this is L1, this is L2, and F1 is the actual frequency of the median class. M is the size of n by 2th item, which is 50, and C is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, which is 37. We have found out all the values which should be applied in the formula. Now let's apply the formula by using the values. Now it's time to learn how to calculate median under continuous series. The formula to calculate median under continuous series is median is equal to L1 plus L2 minus L1 by F1 into M minus C. Here L1 is the lower limit of the median class. L2 is the upper limit of the median class. F1 is the actual frequency of the median class. M is the size of n by 2th item. C is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Here L1 is equal to 20, L2 is equal to 30, F1 is equal to 27, M is equal to 50 and C is equal to 37. Now let's apply the formula. M is equal to L1 20 plus L2 minus L1 30 minus 20 by F1 27 into M is 50 minus C 37. That is equal to 20 plus 10 by 27 into 30. 20 plus 130 by 27. 20 plus 130 by 27 is 4.81, which comes to 24.81. Therefore, this is the median of the given data. This is how we find median in continuous series.